Okay guys, back on the ceiling again. Now I've started stopping. It's just creating so much dust and from the plaster when I sand it back. So I decided not to do that. So now I'm going to do stripping over the joints. Then I'll paint it. But yeah, far too much plaster. Okay guys, I'm just about ready to paint. It's all ready to be painted. And this is the stripping I used, which was 45mm wide by about 10mm thickness. Just pine. So I'm going to start painting now. We'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, just finished painting. It's all finished now. I'm glad I done it. Let's keep the heat out, which is good, and hopefully it will keep the dust out. So now I can get back to trains. Thanks for watching.